My loves, we definitely hit the jackpot. I'm like, what is this from Dollar Tree? Now, let me tell you something. I told you guys I'ma definitely have you move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. I'm finna do it. I'm finna deliver. My word is my bond. Looky, cookie. Now, Dollar Tree has these pop sugars, this Dream Lavender Melatonin Bath Enhancer, Rest and Restore Happy Healthy You. This is cute. Look at the packaging. Now, I am definitely a packaging girl. They also have the pop sugar. This is Relief Peppermint Essential Omega 3 Bath Enhancer, Rebond and Recover. Happy Healthy You. This is $1.25. And it says scratch to smell. Let's see. Definitely. And I tell you that this thing right here smells just like lavender. It smells so good. Now, I'm a lavender girl. Absolutely love lavender. Did you know lavender is really good for anxiety, they say? Also for headaches. So I will put that lavender, the fresh lavender, in my hair growth serum. Lavender is by far the best of the best. Now, let me see this one. Just like peppermint. Oh my goodness. These smells absolutely magnificent. Another name brand item Dollar Tree has right now is this Monday Smooth. So this is conditioner they have, and I believe this is the only one they have. I don't think they have shampoo. This is $1.25. Now, when it comes to hair accessories, Dollar Tree, honey, I absolutely love it, okay? They have this barrette, honey, I guess it's a barrette because of that, but honey, I'm like, barrette, I'm thinking of barrette old school. The click-clack, but anywho, they have this, it comes in pink. They also have the purple one. They also have these gorgeous butterflies, same as that concept, well, when it comes to the colors, the purple and also the pink. This is $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Softy Dry Co-Wash and Root Touch-Up, Revive, Shine, and Clean, Satin, and Shea. Okay, this is $1.25. A hint of color, it says, for dark hair shades. And then they also have the Nourishing Hair Serum. This is $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 2-in-1 brush and comb. Absolutely love this. Honey, if you want to slick them edges, this is definitely for you, okay? For my edge slicker girls. This is $1.25. They come in two different colors. They have the black and also the blue. Now, Dollar Tree also have these rollers. I remember once upon a time looking for these rollers, and I had went to TJ Maxx, and they was way more, honey, way more than $1.25. And I remember you had to buy, it was a few, it was way more than 6 in here, but I was looking for the shorter ones. Dollar Tree definitely has really good. A comb that I absolutely love is the Volumizing comb. That comb up there, this big fat plat comb, this is $1.25. Hands down, the best of the best. This item at Dollar Tree, I absolutely love it. Okay. So, the Hydrate and Moisturizer, when I tell you this is good compared to Olay, Micro Sculpting Cream, really good. But they have two, okay? Hydrate and Night Cream, I did not get this one. I got this one. And this is $1.25. Absolutely good. I still didn't try this, the Revitalizing Eye Serum, which is $1.25 as well. Now, Dollar Tree also brought this back. This is the Hydro Plus Hydrate and Cleansing Gel with hyaluronic acid compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And this is $1.25. Gently cleanses and removes dirt and oil and makeup. Fragrance free. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Oatmeal Milk Toner developed with dermatologists, oatmeal and snow mushrooms. Honey, the girls in the street said this is good by Dermacell. All right, this is $1.20. Now, this 100% pure and natural essential oil, They said this is good. Okay, follow on YouTube is Do It on a Dime, and she said I believe that she cleans with this. Now they have the lavender and they also have the tea tree oil, and these are $1.25. I don't know if it's just me, but this look kind of new. Is it new or they just changed the packaging? This Skin Therapy Moisturizing Shave Gel Dry Skin Care. This is $1.25. Another hot item is definitely the Gentleman's Hydrating Lotion, the Lavender Mint Cream Scent, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Tag Step Out Fine Fragrance Body Spray. And then they also have the Midnight, $1.25. Another hot item Dollar Tree has is from Personal Care. This is the Moisturizing Shave Oil, Wildflower pH Balance. This is $1.25. Now, if you looking to get your man, my man, something, Dollar Tree has the Man Cave Olive Stone Face Scrub Natural Skincare Exfoliates and Smooth Skin with Olive Stone. Now, let me tell you something about this, okay? Sugarfoot, normally way more than $1.25. This goes anywhere from $7 to $14. Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. This is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also have these table mirrors. I thought they came in different colors, but at this location, they have just the silver. Okay, this still, fancy because, honey, if you on a road or something and you need to do your makeup, you could go, well, if you go in that bathroom, child, you could look in that mirror, right? But if you need a person, a close-up, you could use this, the table mirror. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Brookstone scissors. Absolutely love this. This is a name brand, and it is fancy. This is a long grade 2-pack pointed tip scissors. This is $1.25. Another item that I absolutely love is the Diamond Cosmetics. This is the Toe on the Go kit, and it comes in different colors. They have this green right here. You guys, if you don't know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. And then they also have this pink right here. Dollar Tree also brought these back, the Sassy Plus Chic. Now, I don't know if your Dollar Tree's near you, if they would still like carrying them or keep them in stock. But for a moment, I didn't see these, okay? But these are really, really fancy. Now, this is compared to Kiss, all right, the nail clipper. And they definitely comes in different colors. They have the black. They also have the blue, the green, and also this peachy color, $1.25. I never thought that I would be saying this because, sometimes in my mind, I'm like, if it costs more, then it's really, really going to be good. But Yardley soap, oh my goodness. Now, this is not the one, but this smells kind of good. You can smell a chamomile a little bit, but this has chamomile flower, and I guess this is like for babies. Gently cleanses with shea butter, but Yardley has a hand wash. It smells absolutely divine. So good. It smells so good. And it's like $1.49 and something. You can get it from some stores. But this Yardley, the chamomile flower at Dollar Tree, they have the bars of soap, and this is $1.25. When it comes to the cleaning items, absolutely love this. These scrubbing bubbles drop-ins helps keep your toilet bowl stain free. I live by these. These are so good. Absolutely. Now, Dollar Tree also have this garbage disposal. You get 2 of these for $1.50. Item I absolutely love as well. This Lysol Hygienic. Okay, the Atlantic Fresh scent, and then they also have the lavender. The one I used was the Atlantic Fresh scent. Absolutely good, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous totes. This is the flexible tote. These are $3. They come in different colors. Absolutely love this green, bluish. Okay, honey, I swear I know my colors. And this green, this white, and also gray. Love this. Collapsible baskets, these are $5. They also have the back to school book bags. These are $5 as well. More back to school items, papers, loose leaves. These are $1.50. Honey, it brings back so many memories when I was in school, okay? Remember asking people for loose leaves for papers so I could write on, honey, because I wasn't prepared. They also have the composition notebooks. Now these notebooks, these are $1.25. Okay. Also have these little journals, Think Happy, Be Happy. This is $1.25. If you guys are looking for floral, these items are $1.75. This definitely gives me fall vibes. It is so gorgeous. Love this color, this orange and bright red. Really fancy. They also have this sunflower bush, these mini sunflower bushes. Did you know you can actually eat sunflowers? Like, you gotta cook it though. They also have these, honey, I don't know. Honey, don't give me the line. I don't know what that is. But I kind of like them, the solid color ones. Those are $1.75 as well. Really. Now, when it comes to wall decor, right, for $4, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. This wall decor, this is $1.50. Now, absolutely love this, the pumpkin spice. Cute. But my fave is definitely the tabletop decors. These glazed looking pumpkins, okay, they are so fancy. They also have some more wall decor. Pick your own hot cider, apples. These are $1.50. Really cute. Gnomes, if you guys are looking for, these are $1.50 as well. They also have some garden stakes, which are $1.50. All right, family, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves. Let me know what was your favorite item that you've seen that you want to try. Those fizzers, okay, that Dollar Tree has, the lavender one. I just think of the lavender because I'm such a lavender type of gal. But those fizzers, oh my goodness. Oh, and peppermint. If you guys could go to the Dollar Tree, or the next time you go to the Dollar Tree and you see those fizzers, you definitely want to be on the lookout for them because they smell absolutely divine. When I tell you they smell good, honey, they smell good. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Rock out, believe in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Till next time.